Picture this. You wake up tomorrow, open your phone to check your balance, and every dollar, every Venmo, every Cash App number is gone. People are offering sneakers for snacks and trading video games for gas. Total chaos, right? That's how important money is. It's the invisible system that keeps our world running. So, what is money, really? It's not just paper bills or the numbers on your screen. It's trust. A few thousand years ago, people bartered, maybe trading a goat for some grain. But bartering was awkward. What if your friend didn't need a goat? Humans solved this problem by inventing money, something everyone would agree has value. Over time, coins, paper, and now digital cash became the universal handshake saying this is worth something. Every time you babysit, mow lawns, or stream your first side hustle, you're trading your time and skills for money. That green paper isn't valuable because of what it's made of. It's valuable because everyone believes the story that it represents value. Your employer believes it, your favorite pizza place believes it, and so does your best friend when you split the bill. But here's the cool part. Money doesn't just sit in your wallet, it flows. It pays your favorite creators, builds your local skate park, funds college scholarships, and fuels new inventions. The way money moves decides which ideas grow and which dreams fade. When you invest even a little, whether it's saving birthday money or putting cash into a simple index fund, you're adding your voice to where the world goes next. Now, let's talk power. Money can be a servant or a master. If you just earn and spend, you're on a hamster wheel, working for money forever. But if you learn to save, invest, and budget, money starts working for you. Thanks to compound interest, that's when your money earns money on itself. Even small amounts you save as a teen can turn into serious cash by the time you're an adult. Money's like Wi-Fi. When you understand it, everything runs smoother. Ignore it, and you're stuck with lag and missed opportunities. Inflation, credit, and interest rates might sound boring, but they're the hidden rules of the game. Understanding them now means future you can travel, start a business, or buy a home without constant money stress. So here's the takeaway. Don't just chase money, learn its rules. Read, ask questions, and experiment wisely. Your early decisions, saving a little, budgeting smartly, investing carefully, can give you freedom later. Money isn't magic or luck, it's a tool, a story we all believe in. And when you understand the story, you stop being a side character and start being the author of your own future. The world is always teaching you about money. Don't stop learning. Because when you get money working for you, you're not just earning cash, you're building possibilities.